Good morning to all my followers and subscribers nga nagsubaybay o naga-likes and share my videos. Today I have a very sad news to announce for all of us. So what happened is our YouTube channel and my Gmail account has been robbed or hacked by people I really didn't know and I really don't recognize. But before that, sa hindi nakakilala sa akin, hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin at di pa nakapollow, I am Rinanti Navarro. I am a small-time YouTuber and Facebook blogger. And I started blogging since 2018 and working my channel for 3 years before I was able to be a YouTube partner last 2021. So atong 2021 nahimo ko nga sa YouTube partner. And last year 2023 as a Meta Facebook monetized account. So what really happened? I really don't know. Yesterday, as I wake up, I found a message and alert from Google. It says Google action required. Under, I found my Gmail account has been logged out 7 hours ago. And that's it. I messed up that day. January 4, 2024. So start yun no sa tuig. I cannot access anymore my account. I can't find my YouTube channel. My videos and contents are already in private. All my sync contact numbers, passwords, link, backup Gmail account are not working and not recognized by Google. Regardless what action I am taking in, I cannot access my account anymore. I messaged the Google support, but none of the recommendation is beneficial for me or working. I hope Google will take more deeper action on this matter. So how do I feel, guys? How do I feel? I feel very sad. I feel upset. I feel hurt and also afraid because they almost hacked also my Facebook account yesterday. Around that is 12, I don't know, because hackers use also VPN so that they can hack your account na hindi mo malaman sa location na what time exactly. I almost did not sleep last night, but of course I calm myself knowing that it's just a thing and I will still stand. So what did I learn from this situation, guys? I learned that people who are around you, watching you, not all of them are wishing you good or best. There are people out there, of course, who are really good and wish you the best. And also, there are bad people who will steal from you and wants you destroyed. They're happy to do bad things to satisfy their evil desires, and they will not regard who you are and what situation you have. They will still do their stuff, selfish and destructive ways to others. To me, of course, and to others who are victims out there, and malay mo, baka isa ka rin sa mga target nila. So, very sad, very sad. So, these things I learned. So beware of this kind of people. Monitor your account and of course make it more protected. So how do I wish? There are two wishes I have. First, I wish Google will take action on this matter regardless if I am and my status are a small YouTuber or an a content creator. Regardless of that, I hope na si Google mag-take of action. As I've said, I do everything as they recommend to do, yet wala na. Hindi lang na-forget yung password, it was changed. Hindi na recognize yung number ko which is linked to my account. Wala na. So, di na ako, may ano doon, may action, recommendation doon na sinabi nila, we send code to your account, your Gmail account, Renante 2014 at gmail.com. Pero paano na yun? Paano ko ma-receive? Hindi nga ako makapasok. Ayaw pumasok at wala na. Bid na yung ano ko, yung Gmail account, which is yung YouTube ko nandun. So very sad. And second wish I have this, that I wish these people will be given justice by their unjust works and action. Or sana magbago na sila. Magbago na sila sa kanilang ginagawa na hindi mabuti sa kapwa tao, no? Di ko naman siguro sila pinakialaman. And I never do things, bad things to them. So ganun talaga. Yun ang ginagawa nila. So what are my conclusion is? My conclusion is maging aware po tayo that this kind of people are existing and they will find ways to destroy others and you. They will destroy me, they will destroy you. They don't want you na maging ano naman. And they will make sure that your Google make it sure that your Google account is to the highest is protected or secured, kasi doon ako medyo nagkamali ako sa protection. Pero the most important thing, my conclusion is na babangon pa rin tayo. Kahit na pinadapa tayo, kinuha, dinilit, I don't know kung dinilit nila ang aking YouTube account or ayun, tatayo pa rin tayo. So thank you guys for your support to me, and I hope you will share this video as a reminder that sa mga nais lumago sa buhay at sa negosyo, may mga taong ganun na handang pasukin ka at parapain ka. Pero yun